If you've been hurt in an Uber or Lyft accident in Miami, I want you to understand something most people don't realize until it's too late. Rideshare cases are not like regular car accidents. There are multiple insurance policies in play, and which one applies depends on exactly what the driver was doing at the moment of the crash. Was the app on? Was a ride accepted? Was a passenger in the car? Those details can mean the difference between a $10,000 policy and a $1 million policy. And trust me, Uber and Lyft's insurance companies know this. Their job is to pay you as little as possible, and in a busy rideshare market like Miami, they handle these claims every single day. That's why you need a lawyer who focuses on rideshare accidents, someone who knows how to preserve the app data, lock down the driver's status, and hold the right insurance company accountable. Whether you were a passenger, a pedestrian, another driver, or even the rideshare driver yourself, you may have a claim worth far more than what they're offering you. Don't sign anything, and don't give a recorded statement until you talk to a lawyer. Call us today for a free consultation, because in a rideshare case, the clock is already ticking.